Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to install MySQL 8.0.40 on Ubuntu 24.10. So I have connected to Ubuntu 24.10 Linux operating system. Open any web browser, then go to mysql.com. Click on downloads, click on MySQL community downloads. Then select the MySQL community server, then select the MySQL version. See here we have the MySQL 8.0.40. See, this is the version available at the time of making this video. But when you try to install, if this version is not available, you have to click on this archives. Okay. Then select the version Ubuntu Linux. Then select the version. See here we have the Ubuntu Linux 24.10. Select it. See, once you selected, it populated. See, it populated list of the Debian packages that need to be installed. Okay. Instead of downloading and installing them, just download this deb bundle package. It is star file. Okay, click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 486 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads, ls. See here we have the tar file. We have to untar this file, tar-xf. Then give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. ls. See, we have extracted all Debian packages. Now we have to install these packages. But before installing Ctrl L, we have to install following prerequisites. Sudo apt get install lib aio dev, then mcap -ipadic. I will keep this command in the video description. UTF-8. It is UTF-8. Okay. One more time. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Type I for confirmation and hit enter. Success. Ctrl L. Now ls. Now install these packages. Sudo dpkg -i star.deb. Hit enter. Now we have to provide the, please provide a strong password that will set for the root account of your MySQL database. So now we have to provide password for root account. Hit enter, confirm the same, then hit enter. Now see, MySQL uses a new authentication based method based on improved SHA-256 based password methods. Okay, so it recommends strong password. Use the tab and select OK and hit enter. See here we have two authentication methods, strong password encryption and legacy authentication method. So recommended one is the above one, that is use strong password encryption. Okay, it is up to you. I am going with legacy, then select OK and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL server. Ignore about this error. Okay, verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL server is running and it is enabled. Q to quit. Ctrl L. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u. U means username. Root is the username. Okay, -p means password. Then provide the password that we have set. Hit enter. See, we have connected to MySQL 8.0.40 server. Okay, verify the version also by running select version. See, we have installed MySQL server version 8.0.40. Ctrl A. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. So create a new database. We have successfully created. Verify again. See, new database bank is there. Now switch to this new database. Use is the keyword to switch to database. Now verify the current database. Select database. See, we are in the bank database. So Control L, verify list of tables in this database. See, it is empty set, which means we don't have any tables. So let us create a table and insert some data into this table. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these 3 rows. So now create a user, show users to verify the users before creating. But this won't work. Hit enter. We can get the list of the users by running the command. Select user from mysql.user. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL server installation. Control L. Now create user. Create user. Verify again. See, new user James is there. Okay, now we are going to exit from this MySQL, which is connected by using root account. Let us verify the current user session. See, we connected with the root user. So I am going to exit from this root account session. Exit. Now connect with new user. MySQL-u James-p. Then provide the password that we have set. Now verify the user. Select user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected with the James user. Now try to switch to bank database. See, access denied for user James to database bank. Why we received this error? Because we have created user, but we haven't granted privileges to connect to any database or any tables. Okay, so to access database we must grant the privileges. For that I will make another video. Okay, Control A. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL on Ubuntu Linux 24.10. So first verify. See, MySQL service is running. Now stop it by using, just replace this status with stop. Hit enter. Now verify the status again. See, MySQL service is inactive or dead. Q to quit. Also try to connect to MySQL while it is stopped. This is just for confirmation. See, cannot connect to local MySQL server because we have stopped the MySQL service. Now start it again. Sudo systemctl. Just we have to give the start instead of stop. Now verify again. See, MySQL service is started 3 seconds ago. Control L. We want to restart. Just give the restart here. Okay, I'm not going to do. That's it. Okay, so we have successfully installed MySQL 8.0.40 on Ubuntu Linux 24.10. Until now we have connected MySQL by using MySQL client, but we can also connect MySQL by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. Okay, go to mysql.com. Click on downloads again. click on MySQL community downloads again. Then see here we have the MySQL workbench. Then select the Ubuntu Linux. Then select the version 24.0. Then we have to download this Debian package. Okay, then we have to install like by using sudo dpkg-a. Then you have to give this Debian package. That's it. The another tool is dbeaver.io. Then we have to download this community edition. It is for free and this is the paid one. So click on download. Then we have to download this Debian package. Then we have to, for that you can search my YouTube channel how to install dbeaver or MySQL workbench on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. So we have successfully installed MySQL 8.0.40. Last step is ls. See, these files are not required because we have installed MySQL 8.40 on Ubuntu Linux. So I am removing rm.start.deb ls. We have one more file, remove this one also. Rm, give MySQL, give the tab and hit enter. ls. See, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on Ubuntu 24.10. For more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.